This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Carolcattle. Exciting opportunity for investors. Triplex plus extra home on one lot. Triplex has 3 one-bedroom units, home has 2 bedrooms. There is some deferred maintenance but the structure appears solid and the tenants would like to stay. 1-car garage plus a large yard west / additional uncovered parking. View of river from the 2-bedroom home. Triplex has 3 one-bedroom units. Unfinished basement area and potting shed could add to square footage to improve financials. Close to shopping, downtown and freeway access. You won't want to miss this. For more information, review the details below or contact Carolcattle at 360-671-5000.